The #1 inspirational speaker of the year is
Michelle Weger. What I believe is that high performance is possible for absolutely everyone.
It only takes one person to believe in you, to lead you from lost to legendary.
The attention to detail and the content was top-notch, and really, at the end of the day, anybody can do that, but can't really do it as well as Michelle.
After hearing me speak, people take action immediately. Teams start implementing the strategies the next day, and people have momentum. And the wonderful thing about momentum is once it starts, it is addicting.